Magandang araw mga Lodi. Welcome back to another episode of Money Guru, where we talk about the financial questions that matter the most to you. Dito siguro, Money Guru. I'm with Alex Calleja here, and today we'll go through some questions from our Money Guru fans and do our best to provide helpful answers that they can actually use.
Ito naman ating question number 3. Galing to kay Vela. Hoy, first time nagsabi ng pangalan ha. Yung atin, dati kasi hindi na magsabi ng pangalan eh. Hindi po ako napapakali kapag hindi ko nabibili ang gusto ko. Paano po ba maiwasang maging impulsive buyer? Impulsive buyer? What happened, Vela? Eto, gusto mo maging impulsive buyer at may pera ka, punta kang BGC. Yan, ang mamahal ng bilihin doon, walang mapupuntahan niyang pera mo. Titigil ka sa pagbili mo dahil di mo kaya, my friend. Ang mamahal doon ng gas. Pero, punta ka doon kasi malamang ikaw na-imagine mo, sumakses ka eh. Pero, akala mo, step by step, success ka na eh, no? Pero hindi ka pa success. Nasa imagine mo lang yun eh. Pag nagpunta ka sa BGC, malalaman mo na wala kang mabibili, kaya hindi ka talaga success eh. Hindi ka success. Tama ba yun, John?
Alex, what happened to your suggestion?
Maganda yun ah.
I don't know.
What happened?
What happened?
What happened?
What happened to your suggestion? My God, you come out with the best suggestions that are wrong. Anyways, impulsive buying is really a problem, but you can always keep in mind that 24-hour rule. The best way to avoid impulsive buying is to wait. You can try waiting for at least 24 hours, and if you still need to buy it, then you can go ahead and make that purchase. No one is stopping you from enjoying your hard-earned money, but always make sure to do it mindfully.
Okay.
Not what happened like him.
Okay, Vela? Okay, Vela. Bili-bili, Vela. Eto na. Tama naman si John doon. I'm sorry, I apologize. Okay?
So, omsim na omsim, Alex. Till our next episode, mga Lods, tutok lang palagi. Money Guru, dito sa Money Guru.